In this video, I am making a loom of a loom. So I had to share this with you if you have a business, because I think this is pretty cool. And I'm kind of in shock and awe of what we can do right now with all of the tools available. So I'm going to show you what's going on here. Over here, I made a video walking you through a Manus task. Manus is an agent, and I had it do a task for me on LinkedIn. So let's put this up here so you're not seeing me twice. So I made a video, it was about 10 minutes, and I walked you through how to review engagement for your content. Let's say go through your weekly content and say, okay, this was my highest performing piece of content. I had Manus analyze it, tell us why it was a good piece of content, why it did well, and then tell us how we could create, or I could create more engaging content similar to this for my audience. And I explained that my audience was small business owners, and I wanted to provide very valuable content, that I care about small business owners, all this other stuff. So I've got the recording ready. I'm going to put this on my YouTube channel as an explainer video. But in the meantime, on the same piece of content, let's go see how I got this. Okay, so I have a paid version of Loom, and then you can come over here and you have all these other tools, right? You can transcribe it, you have settings, you have activity. But this I thought was very cool because I'm very keen on processes and procedures for businesses for several reasons. Number one is that I've owned a service business, so I was a stickler for creating a process for everything because we had about 50 people all running in different directions. And number two, I've helped people to value their businesses and sell their businesses. And now I'm in the consulting world, right? So I've seen lots of businesses with no processes, no written processes. But how cool is this? You can make the video, you can do a screen recording, and then you can ask it to document that screen recording, and you can create an SOP. If you don't know what an SOP is, it's a standard operating procedure, and it gives you these line items of objective, key steps, and then it tells you where in the video this piece is. So you could literally you could copy this and create a company file. I mean, you can just create an SOP so easily by doing a screen recording. And it gives you all the snippets of the things that you need to know and follow in this SOP. And it gives you the timestamps. And then it gives you a link to the video. So you could literally copy this whole thing into a Google Doc, and you now have an SOP. And it took me 10 minutes to record it. Maybe 13 minutes total. I think that's pretty cool.